Dr. Laura Dabney talking with you this month about how to get over heartache. The first week I talked to you about the feelings that come along with heartbreak and what to do about those. The last week I talked to you about how to move on from these feelings and to move into a new relationship. This week I want to talk to you about unrequited love, or how to get over a crush, somebody that really the relationship didn't pan out. This is an interesting area, and I find that a lot of people who come to talk to me about this are so beating themselves up about it. So for starters, and I think I've started each video this way, don't beat yourself up over that. There's something symbolic about that person that's causing these feelings, and it's important for you to pay attention to. Also, it's often an ideal. You have an ideal understanding of this person that may help you move on. Because you haven't gotten involved with them and haven't got to see their flaws doesn't mean they don't have them. And because they're human, I am pretty sure, 100% actually, that they have faults. So it may help to understand that they have flaws. Just because you haven't seen them doesn't mean they're not there. Thirdly, stop seeing them. Okay. This is very hard for some of my patients to understand. They somehow feel they can't stop seeing them. They're compelled. We're all grown-ups. We can control ourselves. Whatever you have to do to set that up, to stop seeing them. It's so important because it's a stimulus to you. It's a painful stimulus to you. And by continuing to allow that in your life, you're just hurting yourself. It's sort of like having a splinter under your skin that's getting infected, and you won't have it removed because somehow it's from a favorite railing of yours or some meaning to you. Okay, it really is that strange to keep exposing yourself to something that's so painful. I also help my patients understand that sometimes people see that as there's never going to be a chance if I keep him or her from ever seeing me again. Well, that's not true. Those people are healthy adults who can hold on to a memory of you, and if something happens or changes in their life, they'll come find you. So it's not as simple as if then. If I stay in their life, I have a chance. Not necessarily. Or if I get out of their lives, I don't stand a chance. Not necessarily. The point is for you to get that pain out of your life, cut that off in some way. You may need a friend to help you. You may need a coach to help you. You may need to set aside some kind of a schedule where you rearrange things so you don't run into this person. But certainly don't stay friends with a person like this. There are other people out there who won't cause you this kind of pain who can be a friend, okay, and not cause all this other turmoil with you. So unrequited love is something you can deal with and move on from if you follow these tips. And of course, we're always here for you at 757-340-8800.